Welcome back to Engineering with Evans. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a design in Gravit that includes a shape outline, some text, and an icon. So I'm assuming you already know how to create your Gravit account, log in, and set your canvas size. I'm going to go 5 by 5 inches, again, inches, not pixels. And now that I'm in here, I'm going to be starting to create a design. Okay, I save my file as always, using my naming convention, last name, first initial, Gravit demo file. Save. Okay. Now, the first thing I'm going to want for my design is a shape outline. So up in my toolbar, I can select shape, and I'm going to choose an ellipse. Actually, I'm going to go with a polygon this time. I do a circle every example. And I click and drag to draw my shape. Okay, this drew from the center. So I'm going to resize it and rotate my shape just so it's flat. Okay, perfect. All right, and you'll notice that my shape has a gray fill. I want it to have no fill and a black border. So I can click on my shape, and now it is selected. I can tell because of these blue outlines and control dots. And over on the right-hand side, I have features of my shape I can change. So I can change the points on my shape, so I can make it a different size polygon. I can change corners. I want to leave it as a hexagon. The opacity, so how transparent it is, and other features. But all I want to focus on right now is the fill, which I want to get rid of by deleting. And I want to add a border. I'm going to make a nice colorful border. And to change the color, I just have to click on the color itself over here. Don't click on the dropper. Click on the actual color swatch, and you can change the color to whatever you need. I'm going to keep mine pink. So that's how you add a shape. If we wanted to edit that shape, we would just need to click on it again. So I'll click on the outline. It is highlighted, and I have my shape options over here. I'm going to make it a slightly thicker border, so 4 instead of 1 point for the border, so you can see it. For text, pretty simple. You grab the text tool up at the top, click and drag to make a text box, and put your text here. So this is example. Just like with the shape, when your text is selected, you can change things like the color of the text, the font. Let's go with Orbitron. That's a nice one. Font size, maybe 30. That fits well. You can center it, change other alignment features, make it bold, italicize, underline. Okay, so you can change the features of your text again on this right-hand side. So in general on Gravit, when you click on an object, you'll have editing options on the right. Okay, the last thing I want to add is an icon. Gravit has a library here where you can search icons. So let's search for a basketball. But sometimes this takes a little too while to load. So what I like to do is grab icons from Google. So I'll open up a Google search. I want a basketball icon. Again, an icon is an image that has black and white. That's going to be important for our designs this week. So I'll choose this one. I'm going to right click and save this image as a basketball icon. And then back in Gravit, you'll see my icon is still loading. Okay, so what I'm going to do is insert the image I just downloaded. So it's called basketball icon. I can use the place image tool up in the toolbar and find that download. This is exactly what I needed. I'm just going to resize it and put it here in the middle. Okay, so that's how you can use Gravit to create shape outlines, add some icons and text, and start making simple designs. I want you to create your own design that includes text, an icon, and an outline of some sort.